Right. So you got a blind tier list. You got one per slot. You got 6 slots. ICT's at the top and the bottom, depending on how you view ICT. We're starting off with the Ichimoku Cloud.
Okay. Ichimoku Cloud. Is that how you say it? Ichimoku?
Yeah, close enough. Ichimoku.
Is that Japanese?
Yeah. Ichimoku.
Ichimoku.
Yeah,
It's
Moku.
Japanese, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, it's Japanese for sure.
Well, I mean,
do you know what the Ichimoku Cloud is?
Oh yeah, I know. Yeah,
Okay.
because it has like 20 different indicators all built into one, so it's just
The most overcomplicated thing ever.
Yeah. But
supposedly it works in trending markets, but also just trend following works.
What doesn't work in trending markets?
Yeah. Hey?
Yeah. We're gonna have to rank that one at meh.
I'd have to agree with that. That's not too bad actually. It's meh. Okay, next up we got RSI.
Ooh, RSI is going to be 100% good. Right?
100% good. You're going up one.
It's
RSI?
going up just good. Yeah. Well,
Okay.
The issue is with RSI. The issue is like it's making the assumption that it's overbought or oversold, but you can just stay overbought for days.
But what if it's RSI divergence? Because you could still use the indicator as a divergence.
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah.
Keeping that good?
Yeah, I'm going to keep that at good.
All right.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think the fans might be mad at that one. Okay. Next up, we got Bollinger Bands.
So Bollinger Bands, I mean, it depends on market conditions, right? Like really good with the ranging price action. I think the idea is you sell when it overstretches, buy when it's overstretched on the low side. So, I'm going to go with Dog Dookie.
Yeah,
because it's only going to work in very specific market conditions. That's it.
Bollinger Bands are not that good, hey?
No, they're not good. No.
Next up, we got the MACD. And MACD, do you know what MACD stands for?
I thought I did, but I guess it's not coming up, so I guess not.
Yeah, funny, hey? Moving average, converging, diverging.
Divergence. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah,
so
I've heard it many times.
Range between moving averages.
So I'm going to rank that one at great.
All right, you're in a tough position now, hey? You got ICT on both ends.
Yeah, I know. All right,
and so the fifth one is the parabolic SAR. Do you know what that is?
No, you're gonna have to explain that one to me.
So it's I don't know if you've seen it, but it's a dot over each candlestick kind of, and it's like underneath the bottom kind of and above the top, so that it's mostly used for trailing your stop losses, and it determines your entry and your exit.
Since I've never heard of it, we're just gonna rank that one at the bottom ICD Robbins Cup.
Yeah, Robbins Cup ICT.
Yeah,
okay. I don't. Finisher off, you got Fibonacci retracement, which I think you got a good list.
There you go. That's my jam right there. So
Fibonacci retracement. That's probably pretty good list actually. Dead on right there.
Good thing I saved the best for last, eh?
Right? Yeah, you did all right. Okay.
I didn't even know it was coming.
Right, I didn't even know it was coming either. We're blind tier listing 6 trading assets, 1 per slot. You can't put one in the same slot as another one, and you can't change where they go. Okay. All right, we're starting off with New Zealand JPY.
I'm gonna put that one at Dog Dookie. It's just like anything JPY is just so whipsaw, so volatile.
Yeah, and you're trading in the Asia session too with the volume.
Yeah, and then with that being said, the spreads are generally higher on those minor assets. Yeah. With especially anything NZD, right? Because it's not that there's not much volume with.
Yeah. Next up, we got Tesla.
Tesla's gonna be great. It moves fast and hard, so there's always opportunity. Yeah. Totally.
Okay. Third, natural gas.
I'm gonna put it right at the very bottom. At ICT Robbins Cup.
You don't like Nat G?
No, I don't. I've never even looked at natural gas once in my life. Yeah.
Next up, we got the Russell 2000.
I'll put the Russ at great or good.
Good. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think you got Tesla at great. You got good at Russell. Next up, you might not like this one. You got wheat futures.
Hey, what's wrong with wheat? Unless you're gluten free, I guess. Okay, I'm going to hope that you're giving me gold last. So I'm gonna say wheat is meh.
Yeah, you're betting on gold, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that was a good bet because you got gold.
Well, there you go.
You got gold last.
Gold is at the tippity top. So
yeah, good one. Gold right at ICT. Hey, these are good lists.
Yeah,
These
not bad.
lists.
It worked out again. Yeah.
I got one more list for you.
Okay.
This time we're doing blind tier list. There's only 2 columns, 3 per slot. Once you're at 3, you can't do any more on it. Okay. So you got 2 options. You got stop hunt, and you got FEG, of course. So we're starting off with VWAP reversion. Okay.
So VWAP, we're gonna say that's good. Green.
Stop hunt. We're gonna go with stop hunt.
Stop hunt. Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
For the second one, we got liquidity grab strategy.
Oh, well, there's not much context there, but that's going to be good, obviously, right?
It's got to fall under the stop hunt. It's a stop hunt.
Yeah, stop hunt. Yeah.
Next, we got order block trading.
Well, I trade Forex, so order blocks aren't as much of a thing as it is on stock. So I'm just going to put that one in ICT bad.
Ooh, you're gonna twist some feathers here, hey?
Yeah, well, I got to save a spot in case something else comes up.
Just in case the best one comes up, right?
Yeah. Strat.
Okay. Next up, you got Dumb Money Concepts by yours truly.
Oh, that's terrible. I'm putting that ICT bad for sure.
Oh man, you're killing me, man. Dumb Money Concepts, man.
Well, I don't. We're just going to put it in there for now.
We're gonna put it in FVG.
But yeah. But tell you what, when it works out really well for you, you can fly me out on your private jet, and then I will manually move it to.
I thought you were gonna promote my strategy here.
Yeah.
The last 2 now, man, is counter trend trading.
Oh no,
and
that's so bad.
Your last one is breakout trading.
Okay,
which is essentially dumb money concepts.
Ooh, yeah, breakout trading is definitely better than counter trend, and yeah, breakout trading counters liquidity grab trading, right?
Okay, cool. If you wanted to do one as well.
Okay, 2 categories are DMC and SMC. DMC being good, SMC being trash. I'm going to give you 6 crypto assets, and you can put them in either 3 of each.
Yeah.
The first one is Bitcoin.
Oh, yeah, DMC, of course. Yeah, easy. Crypto coins. It's at the top of the top. I don't think there's a single thing I would put higher than Bitcoin.
Okay. Next one is Dogecoin.
Dogecoin. Oh, okay. Now, yeah. Now we got Elon supporting Doge, so it's basically, am I going to support Elon or not? No, I'm going to go again. We got to go with DMC. I think Doge is a dumb asset, but it's fun. It's a fun dumb asset.
Fun,
I think it's going to be a long-term project. That's for sure.
Okay. The next one is called, I don't know if I've heard of this one. It's called Render. RNDR.
That's got to be SMC, right? Because it doesn't make any sense.
Why is that?
I don't know. We don't know what it is. It doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, we don't know what
I don't know, man. Yeah, I don't even know it.
Number 4 is Bonk.
Bonk, hey? Yeah, Bonk really killing it with this market cycle. And I know people love Bonk, and this is going to be this is not going to be a fan pick. I'm sure of it. It's gonna go straight into SMC. It's more of a religion. Yeah, it's a cult, the cult of Bonk, and we don't want to be a part of it. I'm not willing to get bonked on the head, And that's part of the ceremony. So
yeah, exactly. All right, so number 5 is going to be Ethereum.
Right. Oh, so I got 1 DMC and 1 SMC. I know Ethereum is like the second biggest project. It's going straight into SMC.
Okay. No kidding.
It's a dying project.
Yeah, you think
and
so?
I'm hoping you got something good at the end here, because I knew people would think Ethereum is good. It's a dying project. It's crap.
Yeah.
It doesn't do anything new. Solana can beat it. I think you're gonna pull out Solana at the end, and
okay, yeah,
or something interesting. But there's not much that's worse than Ethereum at this point.
right. Okay, so number 6 is XRP.
Yes, boom, baby, XRP. The stand. I actually hated XRP until today, because I heard that it's the new, what is it, ISO 2002 thing, is going to be the bank meta in order to transfer funds across Swift. So I used to be an XRP hater for years, until I learned just actually today that July 14th they're going to be making it actually a useful project, basically. So they're going to use XRP to be doing bank transfers in the US.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Interesting. So yeah, that's a good list. I'm happy with that list. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's solid, except for Bonk. You know, I'm gonna.
You want Bonk on that?
I want to put my life savings into Bonk. I believe.
Bonk, bonk you on the head. Bonk you on the head, man. Okay, next game.